Hi friends, yesterday we are talking about the single prints. Today we will know the importance of the single prints. Okay. Now see yesterday what happened for the market. See exactly the price came near the single prints and it is getting bounced back. Can you see? This single prints plays important role. Why means whenever this single prints happen, we can assume that some smart money came in the market or any big players are entered in the market. That time only the single prints most of the time will happen. We will monitor this single print for upcoming days. Okay guys, we will see other examples also. In this case we have lot of single prints. You can see 1 2 3. So how to monitor this day? When you have confusions, you should take from top to bottom. See here, we will take from year to year. See, whenever the price comes here, exactly it's bounce back. See here, the price is stopping, the price is stopping. At least you should not go for sell on this place. No sell, no sell order should be placed. At least we should know this, because this is an important reference lines. Okay, we will see another example also. You can see here, this place same like that, lot of single prints. See, from here to here we should monitor. Whenever the price comes here, see here, the price is stopping exactly here. You can see like that the single prints plays a very important role. Okay, at least we should not go for sell here. When price is coming from upside, we should not go for sell. Okay, and we will see a lot more examples also. After watching this video, don't go and buy immediately market profile. It costs more. Do you really need market profile? Not at all. I'll show in the candlestick pattern now. Going to candlestick pattern. See, this is the candlestick pattern. You can see here. Any gap between the bars. See, for example, I'll show you. While bars is running, any gap between this bar. Okay, that one we'll call it as single print. Okay, you got it here. So going to candlestick, you can see the gap between below this one we will call it as single print. Okay, see exactly where the price is going. Okay, we will take another example also here, very important reference. You can see here the 13th March candles. Here we can see the single prints. See, from year to year we have a single print. When we monitor the single prints, we can see how did the price closed here, how the movement started from here. You can see from exactly the single print. See how many times the price coming here and getting rejection. You can see here this day how it got rejected on the same place. You can see here how the price got rejected on the same line. You can see here how the price is struggling to go for upside. At least you should not go for buy here. You should avoid buying here in these places. Okay, see yesterday market opened above this, means positive open, and it got support here. Till that we didn't get any positive open here. You can see only price is opening here, somewhere else here. So it's getting as a resistant, it's defending as resistant. Now we will go for Bank Nifty chart. Day before yesterday we got a single print. Same, from same place the price is getting bounce back. You can see here. So I gave a lot of examples for you, and don't miss to subscribe guys, so that you won't miss any videos in upcoming days. Thank you, take care, bye.